No, you don't have to wipe your screen. Yes, it reads over there 6.98 on the 30-year fixed. What's going on? Well, today the Federal Reserve's coming out and they're going to tell us what exactly they're going to do. But we had some really encouraging news in the inflation front, and that's what I want to go over with you guys. Here's what's caused mortgage rates to drop almost, well, at least 1/8%. So let's get over to the headlines right through here. Here's where the inflation numbers break down in 2024. So you go down through here and you don't really see that many items under 3%. So you could see right through here, the overall inflation was up 3%. You go down here and this is telling you, please don't buy fruit concentrates. It's up 20%. Then it goes down through a whole slew of other information. Then when you get all the way down the bottom, there's something interesting here. And it's right through here. The rent of primary residency, it's up 5.3%. Now, this number is kind of all over the map, but why we give so much emphasis on this is right through here. You know, this number represents 42%. 42% of the inflation numbers is this number right through here when it comes to rent, the equivalents to housing. Why that's important? Here's where the chart is right now. This gives you a chart of what that number's been doing over the last, well, since 2020 or 2001. Here's where rents are normally. You can see right through here. They're usually about, well, back through this time, they were about 3 or 4% right through here. Then they completely plummeted during the crash. Then they went back and stabilized about 3 to 3.5%. Then right through here during COVID, this thing just spiked rapidly. And this is where we've been going since then. So if you look at this projection, if you were looking at this as a stock or something like that, where would you think this would continue to go? You know, probably down through here or down over here. Well, that means every tick that this goes is going to be a major, major contribution in the CPI number, since it's 42% of it, since it's going through here. So let's say this number goes to 4. With this, what's the number going to be on the CPI? It's going to be right in range of what the Federal Reserve is looking at. So that's what's happening today behind the scenes when it comes to mortgage and mortgage rates. Let's see what the bond market's doing right now. We have the MBS is up 48 ticks. If you guys had no clue what I'm talking about, this is how we monitor what the heck's going on with mortgage rates. We follow the mortgage bond. All you need to know in this chart over here is there's the price of the bond up there, 100.87. If the price is going up, that means rates or yields are going down. There's an inverse, a yin-yang relationship here. Look at this where we started the day. We started down here, and then all of a sudden the news came out, and it just skyrocketed, and we've been staying steady there. Now, it's going to stay steady until the Federal Reserve comes out and actually starts telling us or giving us kind of the nitty-gritty of what their discussions were at their meeting today. That's when you're going to see this even more move additionally from there. What direction it is, I don't know, but we're going to have a live event to show you guys what's going on in the market while we're live with the Federal Reserve, watching them talk about what they're going to, you know, basically breaking down numbers. And then we're going to show you the effects that it's having on mortgage rates that specific time. So join us at 2:00 today, and we'd love to go over that with you. And if you want to check out where it is, you can go to therateupdate.com, and it is right through here. So Kyle Seagraves and myself, we will be doing a live event going over the Federal Reserve's data for today and where we expect rates to go from here. So if you're out there and you're like, hey, Dan, what do you do? I love your videos, but I don't really know what you do. Well, I'm a loan officer, licensed in all 50 states as well as Puerto Rico. I'd love to help you if you're trying to navigate the market to buy your first house. But if you've locked in a rate and you're seeing rates plummet, what I need you to do is go up through here, the loan estimate. Now, your loan has to be locked. I want your loan to be locked in, and then send me your loan estimate, and let's see that if I can find you maybe a better rate, maybe lower fees, or maybe both. Maybe I can get you lower rates and lower fees. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, we'll be back live later this afternoon when the Federal Reserve comes out and tells us exactly what they're going to do. Thanks for watching. See you live shortly. Bye-bye.